up, Norman? You've had a good day so far? Oh no! Norman! Oh my god! Oh, your heart! Oh no, we're losing him. Oh.
I got this, you do that.
Hi there. I'm Nick, aka Big Pooh.
And I'm B, aka Snart.
And I'm Grayson, aka Tapu.
We're Exploding Diapers.
This is the Wheel of Booms.
And on the Wheel of Booms we have Splashing Water, Pie Face, Exploding Water Bottle number 1, Elephant Toothpaste, Pie Face again, Exploding Water Bottle number 2, Pie Face, and Coke and Mentos. And if you don't know what Pie Face is,
I'm back.
I guess this is it. Hey guys, so today we will be spinning the Wheel of Boom. Let's go.
Okay, let's see what it lands.
Oh! Okay.
Guess we're doing Coke and Mentos. See ya!
So right now we have our Coke and we have our Mentos. Grayson is going to be the one putting it in first, and we're going to see the reaction.
Make sure
Hopefully
to stand
it's
back.
good.
Let's go. 1 second.
Get ready? 3, 2, 1. Put them in. Grayson, you're so bad at this. Oh my god! Holy cow! You're gonna sip a bit. He's putting more in. What are you doing?
Time for the second bottle. Here we go.
Oh! Oh! Holy cow! It's insane.
Oh. Oh.
That's good.
Oh, this one was such a.
Why do you keep putting more in? Oh my god, Grayson!
Champagne.
That was awesome.
Oh, that's what I should do. Put my time for the third dose. You ready, guys?
Don't make crazy.
It's not going in.
There we go. There we go.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh! That was insane.
Time for a sip. Yummy.
Hey guys, now that we're back in the lab, I'm going to be explaining what happened with the Coke and Mentos. You're probably wondering why it reacted like that. Well, I'm basically going to explain right now. After a lot of debate, scientists are now saying that the primary cause of Coke and Mentos
Is a physical reaction, not a chemical reaction. The explanation is the process called
inoculation. All that CO2 in the soda, all that fizz, is squeezed into the soda. Break it, come here, dude!
Smile for the camera. Time for the second attempt.
Now we will be spinning the Wheel of Boom.
Alright,
Guys, did it.
Oh, no,
Let's see what
wait.
we're gonna get.
what do we got? Exploding water bottle number 2.
Adios, Brandy out.
Hi guys. Let's go. So today we will be doing an exploding water bottle. We did this in the past already, but it didn't really work. So today we're trying again with different materials. So today we have baking soda and baking powder, and we're gonna put vinegar in it and see the reaction of the bottle.
We'll do
Let's get
one
to
by
it.
one. Okay, B, hold this way.
We have 2 bottles. This one has baking soda, and this one has baking powder. Let's go. I told you. No! Oh! Shake it, shake it. Oh! What does it feel like? Holy moly! Guys, if any of you know what a water bottle feels like, it feels like soft that you can just squish it. Look, I'm squeezing this as hard as I can. It won't go.
Nick, watch out. We're putting it somewhere.
You need another one now. Let it open. Don't put the lid. Let's see if this works.
What? That? The rest? Nah. I don't want. Or. No! Wait! No! Leave it! Oh, you. I told you nothing was gonna happen. Bubbles!
Bubbles. Bubbles.
We'll keep that one.
That was
That
nice.
was a success. Bubbles for days.
Singing in the shower, dancing in the mirror. Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm Nicholas. I'll be explaining the exploding water bottle number 2. The bubbles in the bubble bomb is filled with CO2, a gas that forms with the vinegar, then reacts with the baking soda. When you add the water to the baking powder, it will fizz as an acid, and the base interacts, which creates an explosion. Hey guys, so as you know, we are exploding diapers, and we wouldn't be exploding diaper with an exploding diaper. So basically, what we're doing is we're getting a diaper and we're putting it in water, and let's see the reaction.
Okay, so right now we are cutting the diaper open and pulling out the cotton inside of it, and we're gonna put it in the water, and it's gonna make like a cool like gel, I guess. So
Put it on your hair.
we're gonna it's gonna be around a 5-minute experiment. So we'll inform you on what's going on with this experiment, and I hope you like it.
Is that a diaper? You're a diaper.
You cut it open, and you grab all the cotton and powder on the inside.
As you can see, we're putting we got all the cotton out of the diaper and all the salt, and we're gonna pour the salt all in the bucket, and then we're gonna put the diaper in.
Put it.
Okay, guys, we'll inform you back in about 2 minutes. We have left it here for quite a while, and now it is no longer a liquid. This is all water with a little bit of powder. Now look at it.
Liquid.
Now look at it. Watch this. This is now what it is. It used to be water.
Sorry guys for the noise. It's just some classmates.
They're too loud.
So this
Was the exploding
This was
diaper?
like the results of putting diaper in the water and putting it with all the insides of it. I don't know. Well,
With the powder inside a diaper plus water or pee creates this.
yeah, this was a surprising experiment for us because we didn't know this was gonna happen. Thought it was gonna like explode. So same with the water bottle that we did last week where it got really hard. This is kind of like that, but it's really like jelly.